Why, hello there. Today we look at premier Bremont Terra Nova range. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. While a British independent watchmaker, Bremont has more than 20 years of history, the Terra Nova is both a new watch and a whole new chapter for the brand. Bremont established itself as a British luxury product, but for years the company was losing money. Now there is a new leader, Davide Cerrato, who previously was with Tudor and was one of the people behind the success of the Black Bay. No wonder there is now a change in design language, with the Terra Nova field watch leading the brand on its new path. Die-hard fans might wince at it, but it is all about introducing the brand to new customers. There are 3 models in the Terra Nova range. There's a basic 3-hander with implied military inspiration, though it feels more on the elegant side. Do note the new logo and the numerals made of super luminova. The hands are rhodium plated, and that's your clue, it is not a cheap banger. Moving on, we have the main course, Terra Nova Turning Bezel, Power Reserve. With a 904L stainless steel case, it's a luxury tool watch. Wearing it on your wrist is a clear signal you are not averse to sleeping in a tent, but with fancy additions like nicely integrated small second dial and power reserve indicator, your base of exploration will be an expensive glamping. What makes it tick is a movement based on Sellita SW279-1 with Bremont custom rotor and CUS certification. Packed with features, the watch remains thinner than most of the divers. And finally, there's a chronograph. Again, no in-house movement, just a Valjoux 7750. But let's applaud Bremont for keeping this watch under 15 millimeters thick, considering that beast of a caliber is almost 8 millimeters on its own. With the new brand's direction comes new prices. Still, more luxury than affordable, yet more obtainable. Good move, as many argued Bremont was overpriced. And how do you feel about it now? Will you accept the new global Bremont, or will you miss the pure British flavor it had before? Our field expedition ends here. Thank you for keeping up the pace with us. Catch you in the next one.